How to fix Lidl Plus app won't let you log in. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, whether you have stable internet connection or not. So you can go ahead and open your settings. Now open your Wi-Fi option. Now give a fresh restart to your router. Likewise, click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to and click on Forget this network and rejoin it. Likewise, you can also switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch to Wi-Fi. Once you check your internet connection, heading towards next solution, update the app to its latest version. So go ahead and open your app store. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, Lidl Plus, and search for it. Once app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, you can check whether your app is working or not. Now heading towards next solution, launch your settings. You have to clear cache for the app. Scroll down, open this option General, head towards the option of iPhone storage. Now in this page, you will be able to find different apps that are installed in your device. Go ahead and find the app Lidl. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Click on Reinstall app. Once you reinstall the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter the issue, you can apply next solution, that is, you have to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you have just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this, launch your app store, search for the app Lidl. After app appears, install it. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Lidl app won't let you log in. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.